was loud.
Yeah, is that a lady?
Yeah.
Lady driving it?
Did you see that? The conductor waved at me. The train driver waved at me. I still hear it. Do it right there. Yeah. Yeah. Oh no, I forgot to race it. But it's going too fast now. I'm not going to beat it. Hey, Papa, we can race into the bumpy road. Yeah, we like to race trains. It's fun. You should do it. You want to come with us? Yeah, I have to go check my car right now. My car's at the one. My car's at the washing machine. If I was in it right now,